18 years ago, M-PESA transformed how Kenyans moved money. Today, M-PESA's impact extends way beyond transactions. It's now driving innovation, social transformation, and community empowerment. And through the M-PESA Foundation, lives are being changed every day.
We set up M-PESA Foundation, which focuses on 4 big areas: healthcare, and especially maternal and child health, education, economic empowerment, and also disaster support, allowing communities to live a better life.
M-PESA Foundation wamenisimamia kila kitu kuanzia hiyo process yote ya operation mpaka siku ile nitapona.
From healthcare to education, M-PESA supports projects that uplift communities. The foundation has built hospitals, sponsored students, and funded initiatives that make a tangible difference to the well-being of the entire nation.
As a business, we cannot thrive where the community is not thriving. And we believe in investing in the communities in which we operate in. It is through M-PESA Foundation that we do fulfill our community needs.
M-PESA is also shaping Kenya's sports future. From the junior NBA to rugby sevens, golf and athletics, young talent is being nurtured not just to win on the field, but to succeed on a global stage.
We've signed a 3-year partnership with Safaricom and the M-PESA brand. We start with the coaches. We're giving them curriculum, work with them to recruit more coaches around the country.
I've interacted with so many people who had played basketball at international level, NBA. This also makes me full.
We need to really develop a new generation of golfers who can dream to participate and win in the Kenya Open now that we've started to host an European tour in this country.
Through sports, M-PESA fosters discipline, resilience, and national pride. And alongside every tournament and training session, financial literacy programs equip young athletes with the knowledge to secure their futures. Because true empowerment isn't just about talent. It's about giving every Kenyan the tools to thrive.
I've learned how to save money and do calculation for what you have.
We got some knowledge about the app where savings can be done through the phone. You don't need to go to the bank is coming to you.
From sports to philanthropy, from education to enterprise, M-PESA isn't just a service, it's a movement. And to every Kenyan who embraces it, you are part of this unstoppable journey.